Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. This is your teacher Nirmala. So now, in the last week, I have sent you about the sentences, isn't it? Hope you all understand about. And making a recap about the word what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that conveys a complete meaning. So I said you which gives a complete meaning makes a sentence. So in that there are four types of sentences where I have explained you. First one is a declarative sentence or a statement, and next one is a question or a interrogative sentence. Next, the third one is the imperative sentence where it gives a command or a request, and the last one is the exclamatory sentence or exclamation. So, and I told you to remember a few points, that is every sentence will start with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, where it called it as a statement or a declarative or imperative sentence. Now next is the interrogative sentence where it ends with a question mark and starts with a capital letter. In the same way, exclamation mark is placed at the end of every exclamatory sentence. So these you have to keep it in your mind. I said, and you have to make a sentence to negative means you have to add not or no. Then affirmative becomes the negative sentence. And I have given the exercise about how to write the affirmative sentence into a negative sentence. Today I am going to tell you how to make a sentence into an interrogative sentence. So how to form an interrogative sentence, that is by placing the verb or helping verb before the subject. Now since these are the assertive sentence, I am happy. Here it is clear that it is a sentence where it tells that I am happy. Started with capital letter and ended with a full stop. In this we have to make a question how to write this affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence. See, making the helping verb before the subject. Am with the helping verb. So, am I happy? It's a question. Here it is clear that it is I am happy. But here it is a question where it is saying it is a am I happy? Questioning yourself. So, he is happy. Next, here it becomes the is he happy? That means questioning. So, in the same way, they were in the park. Making the helping verb in the subject part, you have to write it. Were they in the park? Questioning. See, you can make the difference. This is the clear information about a sentence, but here it becomes the question mark. Were they in the park? That is a whether they are there or not. It gives that meaning. So, she must sleep now. It is that said that you have to sleep now, but here it is must she sleep now. That means is it necessary or is it important whether she has to sleep now or not. So that means must she sleep now makes the question. So you have to make the helping verb as the subject and give the interrogative sentence with an end of a question mark. She can sing well. Can she sing well? Yes, so this is a question mark. He will go today. Will he go today? That means he is going today. This is the complete meaning of this sentence. Where here it will makes a question whether will he go today, whether he is going today or not. In that meaning, this question is framed here. Will he go today? So in this way you have to make a assertive sentence into a interrogative sentence. In the same way, next one more point, by placing do, does, did before the subject and using the first form of the verb. See here, the stars twinkle at night. This is a clear information about the sentence that stars are twinkling at the night. But here it's the question, do the stars twinkle at night? That means is it correct one whether the stars twinkle at night? So this is a question. He loves painting. Does he love painting? They ran fast. Did they run fast? It's a past tense. This is the future tense. This is a present, and in this is used when it is in a past. So keep it in mind, children, when you are questioning in the past tense or the present tense or the future tense, you have to use these three words. Okay, now turn the page. These are the things which I have given you for the last week's homework. Now I am going to write this one as, see, change the following negative sentences into the affirmative ones. I don't believe in ghosts. That means here it is given that already it is a negative sentence. Negative means here it is don't. I don't believe in ghosts. That you have to make it in an affirmative one. That is, you have to remove the negative word in this. Don't is the negative. So I am going to remove that and write it as I believe in ghost. Okay. Full stop is compulsory. Here. Do not forgive this man. That means here it is the negative word is here. Do not. So you have to write it as affirmative as forgive this man. In the same way, you have to remove the negative words from these words and you have to write it in the line. Okay, now I am going to write it here. There aren't many houses here. So they said the word to use some. They aren't. Aren't are nothing but are not. So you have to write there are some houses here. They said to use the word some. So I have used the some. Next, change the following assertive or declarative sentences into interrogative ones. So as I said, you have to remove the helping verb and make it as a subject. You have to write it this sentence as I shall remain in Agra. So how can I write here? Shall should come first. Shall I remain in Agra? Interrogative sentence will ends with a question mark, starts with a capital letter. Keep it in mind, children. Next, the prices are going up every day. Now, helping word should come in the starting and making this as a question. Are the prices going up every day? Questioning. Okay. Next, other you have to write on your own. Even on the top also this is for your homework. Okay. Next, write suitable question words for the following. Dash is he. So you have to write whose, which, how many, what, who. In these questioning words, you have to fill these blanks. Who is he? We use for persons who. Who is he? Next, dash books are these. Okay, you have to choose this and write it here. Next, dash are you doing? Dash is your car. Then fifth one, dash students are there in your class. Just check it once again and write it here in the dashes. These are your homeworks and write neatly in the textbook. Okay children, this is all for your today's class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.